All right, everybody, May 17th, 613. We've had our painting company come back through, touch up, a lot better. Cleaning company came in, cleaned up, super happy about that. But there is some attention to detail. Plumbing issues. A couple of things I want to show today. So we did paint our columns all yellow that were repaired. Mr. Miller, gonna have you come in and take care of these conduits for the thermostat. Let's go ahead and just cut them right there so I can bring them down this. Mr. Doug, all of our existing thermostats are pretty much at that level. I'd like for your permission to replace them. As that being said, since this is a distribution warehouse, excuse me, I'm gonna ask that the guys that are doing my fire suppression, I'd like you to come in. I have two of these, actually three of these, that need to have an adjustment at the top to where this is mounted correctly. We've broom cleaned everything in here. We've picked up our trash. We've cleaned up everything that we can. A lot of trash came out of this place. Our bathrooms are in working order and appropriate. The new fixtures were installed. So I really can't complain how this turned out. I'd say I'm about 99.9% on this. Small things have to be done, but I should be able to be out of here Wednesday, Thursday of next week. Yeah, better. Attention to detail with cleaning company. Attention to detail. Okay, guys, so need to have the cleaning company come back in here and vacuum. Again, Mr. Doug. They're all pretty much like this in one shape, form, however. Also need to revisit what was done with the HVAC. I know there was some contention between the exiting person and this person, so I'll wait to hear what you got to say. That's what we look like on the 17th of May.